Hi Facebook, I'm Tammy. I'm once again in the home of Linda and Tony White, and today I'm going to talk about entry doors. They have chosen to use Therma-Tru doors. This one is a patio door. It is fiberglass. As you can see, it's hinged in the center, but there's more options than that depending on how you want your door handed. It can be handed, from the outside. It can have an astragal where they both open so that you get a 6-foot opening. It can also have a screen. And this one has interior blinds in it, and they're pretty nice. For privacy or lighting, if it's like the sun is really bright, you can, adjust those. They tilt, they lower, they raise. It's just a very nice add-on option. And there is low E in the glass as well, so they're a very well insulated unit. This is their outside door. This is their main entry. It's a 42-inch wide main door with two 14-inch side lights. They do offer many different widths, but 42 inch is actually a very nice option. If you need to move things in and out, you have a wider space to do that. And it is a fiberglass door. They bought it unfinished and finished it themselves. And they do offer these in in-swing or out-swing, depending on what application works best in your home. And we order these by special order only. We don't stock the fiberglass units, but they're a very accommodating company, and just come see what we have to offer. There's so many doors out there to look at that I'm sure we can find the one that works best for you. Thank you, Facebook. Have a great day.